Hello guys, and today me and Rowen are going to be playing Animal Company, and we are going to be going to the new lava map in Mines. We're doing no glitches, legit way, with the pickaxe, grapple. You're going to need a grappler,
by the way.
some sort of pickaxe, and some sort of backpack if you want to have.
Before you go over to the mines, this is what the magma ore looks like.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. He just went to the using a glitch. Anyways.
Yeah. Let's go, boy. Oh wait, let me activate my glow stick.
Go!
Oh. Do you need a glow stick? I have a glow stick.
Well, if you have a hip slot, you can use a glow stick. I'm just gonna go buy a glow stick real quick. You might wanna to buy a glow stick if you want to.
If you don't have a hip slot, I recommend just putting your pickaxe in your backpack, and then when you get to the lava map, just do your thing.
Yeet. Stop hitting me. Just absolutely yeet. Try to yeet. Okay, I have a challenge for you. Try to yeet your weird glow stick as far as you can away from you. And yeah, that's just a little fun challenge that you can try and do. But if you like and subscribe within the next 2 days, you have a chance to come and play with me. And
probably me too.
Yeah, if you play subscribe to me within the next 2 days, you get a chance to play with me. And
I killed the spider. I'm super low.
Come on. Don't attempt what we just did, because you will probably die if you don't have like a shield or something. So yeah, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go forward, left, jump over the lava, come down to this deeper pit, and you go to the very bottom, and you're just gonna keep taking lefts, basically. So no, rights. Sorry.
This is a right.
Yeah, I know. Keep taking rights. Go forward, right, and then keep going right. And
this is Angry Spider Cave.
Just go into here when you see like the green stringy thing. And this, if Rowen says my real name, which I don't, oh, there he is. See him? Scary spider. Okay, once you get past here, you're just good to walk, I'm pretty sure. Because I'm not sure if spider can get here. Yo, Rowan, wait up.
What?
Wait up.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Just jump down to the very bottom.
Also, do not attempt to kill the spider like I just did. You will probably die. Oh, you're right there.
Yeah, don't. I already said that to them. Don't attempt to try and kill the spider.
It's cause he just ran up on me, and I murdered him. If I had my gun, I'd be able to shoot.
Yeah, if you have a gun or like shotgun or you have any sort of like gun in the game, you should bring it just to kill the spider and then ditch it as soon as you've done your task. Where are you, Rowan? Oh, way. Don't go this way, by the way. If there's wires connecting to it, don't go that way. Go to the wires going somewhere. There's basically just a right way to do it. There's no wrong way to go when you actually get into here. And you don't have to worry about any monsters or anything. All you have to do is just come down here, look for the light, and then jump down like Rowan just did. And then once you get down here, you're just gonna keep following the path just as usual. There's no wrong way to do it, as I just said.
I'm in the lava now.
Alright, I'm almost into the, like, cement tunnel.
Okay.
I'm falling down. Anyways, just let yourself fall. If you don't have a grappler, you're usually going to be cooked. Like, actually. Yeah. Bro, Rowan, save some more for me.
I will.
By the way, don't get targeted for too long if you haven't seen Toasty's video yet, or somebody else's, Scooby's video, anybody else's. Their videos are awesome. Just saying. Oh crap. Yeah, you're gonna want to throw your oops. Don't get in the lava for too long or else you'll get hurt. Don't fall. Okay, and let's do our challenge. Ooh, good one. Yes. Oh, that's far away. Anyways, I'm just gonna mine this stuff up here before I collect anything.
Name some for me too. Pick up all that floating on.
Get home with it. Get home with it. Get home with it. Oh darn, I'm targeted. Yeah, if you see a target on you, make sure it's not there anymore once you do it, because you're gonna need to hide from those
like
things.
a billion times.
Sorry, what?
Oh yeah, me and him, we've had lots of experience with getting airstrike.
Yeah, we've gotten airstriked about like
These bugs don't
10, maybe 15 times. These bugs hate us.
Also, tell them sticking to the ceiling is probably the best bet.
Yeah, I have no idea what he just said, but if you guys know what he said, he's probably right or wrong. Either one of them. Because if anybody does see this video, just like and subscribe, please. I only have 5 subscribers, and for now it's only my family. So, thank you. I don't know anybody's gonna see this video, but if you do what I just said. Thank you. Okay. Oh. Okay, wait. And once you get like a lot of ore, you're gonna get really way down. Bro, where are you?
I'm on the pillar spot.
Oh, I don't see you. Where are you?
Airstrike.
Yeah, Rowan's gonna get airstriked. Oh. Ah. I think that's what he just said. Oh, Rowan threw his pretty far. Mine is somewhere over that way. Yeah, no idea. Get in. Okay, is there any more floating over? Yeah, that, but ooh, that just respawned. Yeah, if any ore respawns, pick it up.
My backpack is more than halfway full.
Mine's almost halfway full.
Alright. It's cause I like mine the ore, put it in a straight that line and then pick it up.
That's what I'm gonna start doing.
That spot where you died last time when we went solo together.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Should I go for it?
If you want to. I'm not in control of you.
There's so much ore over there that I just want to get it.
I know.
There's so many bugs everywhere.
Yeah, what Rowan said earlier, if you didn't catch it, put all your ore in a straight
I'm not
line
going
and then
for it.
pick it up. Don't just pick it up in the ore. You have to like grab it. Okay, where am I going?
If mine
mind
gets full
that.
before yours, I'll help you.
You probably will. Okay. Oh, also, if you need to get to the heart, that thing won't kill you. That's not a trap. It's nothing. It's just like basically a rift. It just looks like the heart in Haunted Mansion if you've ever been there. Yo,
What's up?
what's up? I'm making a. I'm making a line right here.
Making a line?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, if you can make a line.
I'm not taking it. I just need a spot to get my pickaxe out.
All right. Whee! I like to mine mine a little bit and then mine them equally. Ooh. Yeah, I can just grab what's that one. Get it. Grab that. Oh, also, if it goes in the thing, don't worry. After a little bit, it will probably float back out. Okay. I need to make.
I need like 2 more ore and I'm full.
All right. And then you're gonna help me, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if I can jump. Oh crap. Like off of like. I did it. Let's go.
Dude, what is the point of the bugs just chilling over there?
I have no idea. They're just like chilling like a villain over there. They're like buddies watching a show on the couch. Oh crap. Get over it. Get on. Get on. Get on.
That's my ore.
Alright, I'll go somewhere else. Get on with it. Get on with it. Get on with it. I'm sorry guys, that song is stuck in my head. Oh! Almost just fell. Oh, there's some more. A lot of flies. Can I maybe quickly just secretively hop over there? Okay, so these guys have a max range of like there to over there, so it's pretty risky if you wanna. Oh. Come for me. Rowan, don't come over here. There.
Why?
Bro, that was gonna be my ore.
Let me get some.
Okay, I'll let you get one of the ores. Oh,
Whatever I mine, I take.
darn.
I'll go over here.
Oh crap. My ore might despawn. Can your ore despawn? Let me know in the comments. I'm not sure if it can unless you leave the game. Okay, I'm just gonna collect all this. I'm more than halfway full.
Nice. That floating ore up there is mine. I just had to run.
Okay.
The eye literally sees you everywhere.
I know. You really want to be secretive when you come here. You can kind of tell, like, by the summer noises they make.
Those up there are mine. Oh no, I thought that was a floating ore. Sorry.
It's fine. Okay. Oh crap. Meow. Watch out.
Dude, this eye is so annoying.
I know.
Can you not hurt it for 1 millisecond?
This is really heavy stuff. That's why I'm. Watch out, Rowan. You are targeted.
It's like going left and right.
I know. I told people that are watching about that. Like, he has a hitbox of left and right. That's like his range. That's like where he's programmed to be. I'm starting to figure out where they can go. Like, those guys go like around there and there. And then these guys go like over there to over here.
I'm full.
I'm very close to being full. I have like 5 more ore and then I'm full. If you want to help me.
Okay.
Also,
when we're done, I'm gonna grab 1 extra ore. You should too.
all right. These drop crates, by the way. Just letting you know. Hey, there's 2 crates down here. Oh, let's see. Bro, I just got a UV flashlight. These are super rare. Well, I'm pretty sure they are.
Red flashlight?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are rare. I haven't seen many people with them.
Nice. Are you gonna keep it or sell it?
I'm probably gonna keep it, honestly. I think these are rare. Let me know. Ooh. Bro, I have a rare flashlight that I'm pretty sure. And a ginormous flashlight.
Oh, I can literally see that.
And then that was the giant flashlight. This is the like UV flashlight. Okay, bro, Rowan.
What?
Look. I'm right here.
Okay.
Look, it's like a red flashlight. This isn't a normal flashlight.
What does it do?
It's like, I think it's rare. I have no idea. Somebody told me it was rare. I don't know if they're lying or not. If anybody sees this video, if you can search it up, that would be great.
I'm fat.
Or if you already know, just let me know. I'm fat too. My eyes. Wait, Rowan.
What?
It turns red.
It's red.
Yeah.
I'm turning red.
Yeah, it's like a red flashlight. Bro, that's
Then you
cool.
can prank people to, like, can I see that fat flashlight real quick?
Sure.
Yo, like, there's a sneak magic trick if you look straight into it. Look into it.
My eyes! Flash warning. Ow. That actually hurt my eyes a little bit.
Yeah.
Should we just exit? Or no? I'm gonna go up to the ceiling and go to the heart.
You have a full backpack?
I'm going to the ceiling and then I'm gonna go to head to the heart.
Do you have a full backpack?
I don't want to get too greedy before I die. Don't you see what I mean?
Right over there. Wait. Dude, I can help you get a full backpack.
Okay.
And then just leave. So, here, I'll protect you.
Yeah, if anybody, I'm just gonna cut this part out.
So right over there, there's a lot of ore over here.
Yeah.
And there's like no bugs or eyes near it.
I'm probably gonna download like CapCut or something to help me with my videos, cause I suck. At least I know how to put music in.
Get it. Hurry, get it.
Did you just call me a furry? Did you say
No,
furry?
I said
Get
hurry.
it?
I said hurry.
Oh, bro. Get up.
I got you. Yeah. Put it
Okay,
in
you grab one.
I'll grab it.
Hurry.
I got one.
Nice. Don't get targeted, guys.
Got one.
Don't be as risky as I'm being. I was just about to get airstriked. Oh, nice.
I got the ore.
Okay, just come up here to this flat rock. Oh my god, I'm so heavy.
Help. I can't even get up here.
Just drop your ore. Just drop your ore and I'll pick it up and bring it up. No, drop your
No,
ore.
I got it. I can make it. I came in like a wrecking ball. Are you full?
Oh, I need like 3 more. Maybe 2.
Is there any more ore where it's not gonna guarantee kill us? I mean, there's some over here that's pretty close to us.
Yeah. That would probably be our best option. Watch out.
I know. Stay out of his line of sight, like hide.
Alright. Yeah, I will. Oh, wait. Okay.
I've got one.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thanks, bro.
I'm right here. You're welcome.
Headset battery low.
Wait, your headset's low?
Yeah, because I forgot to charge it. So I guess we're just gonna have to end the video here.
Wait, try and...
Yeah, I'm just
We have a couple of minutes so that we can sell it. If we go right now, we can sell all our stuff.
Okay, let's go. I'll meet you in the other lobby.
Let's go.
Oh, yo, I was just about to message you the code. I'm just gonna cut
So
out
this
the
is...
code from the video.
So this is a full backpack. This is one full backpack and like 1 or 2 more ore away from full.
Yeah, I have like 2 more ore away from full. So this is better than Haunted Mansion. Just letting you guys know. This is better than Haunted Mansion.
And show them the inside after.
Oh, there's my flashlight.
You want to keep it?
Yeah.
I'll put it out here.
Thanks.
Okay.
We're gonna look at the inside once it's done. That's all your stuff. Okay. Let's look at the
Now
inside.
show them the inside.
Look at that. That's
And
insane.
like, put an ore up close to your face, like this. Like, just turn it.
It's so cool.
Okay, Whenever you're ready, I'll start selling.
Okay, we're ready.
How much money are
we
you
gonna get?
Like 20,000?
Yeah,
Yo, 20.
Almost
4,000.
a little over 24,000. Well, quite a bit
Usually we
over.
get like 26,000 from 2 full backpacks.
Yeah, if you could get like 25,000 and like 25,200, I'm pretty sure is like.
If you have a third person, you could get like 30,000.
Yeah, you can get 30,000. Yeah, Scooby did
do
that in
the
his
outro.
video. Scooby did that.
Let's do the outro.
Okay,
Come on.
so if you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. See ya!
Goodbye!